Hi guys and welcome back. So today's video is a little different. It's the final upload you'll see from me in 2020, and I just wanted to give a massive thank you to you all who have supported my channel over the past year. Whether you've liked, commented, subscribed or even just watched the video, it really means a lot to me. I thought I'd upload something a little different this year and do a recap of everything that I have made for videos and blog posts and compile it into one video. So here is a short video showing you 2 seconds of everything that I have made during 2020 that has been uploaded onto my YouTube and my blog, so don't forget to check it out. I know that 2020 has taken a complete U-turn on how it was expected to go, just as things was, going as normal. We was thrown the coronavirus, and by the end of March the UK was placed into a lockdown, and at the time of recording this, which is November 1st, the UK will be entering a second lockdown. So I don't know how Christmas and New Year will be, and I just wanted to wish you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Hopefully you'll be able to celebrate, but if not, don't worry, next year, hopefully, fingers crossed, we'll be able to get back to normal. Wishing you and yours a very happy 2021. Hope it brings you everything you wish for.